Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on this. It's a raised bed that we have in our garden, and as you can see, this side is not doing too well. So let's fix it. I start by moving the dirt to the other side and start to disassemble it. The plan was to just replace the top piece, but as I get into it, it's all rotted, and I'm just going to replace the whole panel. A few days ago I hit 50 subscribers. May not seem like a lot, but hey, 50 people are subscribed to my channel. That's great. If you like what you see here, please subscribe. This panel is made pretty simple. It's just got 4 2x4s and this corrugated metal on the back screwed down. Back over in the shop, I use my chop saw to cut 2 long boards and 2 short boards that's going to make up the panel. I'm using pocket screws to hold the panel together. Here I am making the pockets. Here's the panel all screwed together. Something happened with the recording when I was screwing in the pocket holes, so I didn't get that. But here's what it looks like from a previous video. And here's the panel with the corrugated metal screwed on the back. I apologize for not getting that on video, but somebody was running a lawnmower. It was really loud. Back in the garden, I put the panel in, and then I screw it back in place. Again, I apologize for the lawnmower. Somebody's mowing while I'm putting this together. After the panel's in, then I backfill with the dirt, smooth it all out, install the PVC pipes. These PVC pipes are, when it gets too hot here, we put some covering over the plants. helps keep them from getting burned. And here's the finished product, all ready to go, ready for some new plants. On to the next one. Thanks for watching.